Hey Space Nation, Aaron Burnett here. I am going to do a walkthrough of the landing mission, and I will walk you through it, so hopefully you won't have trouble figuring this out as well. All right, let's do this. Start it. Let's flip into landscape mode here. All right, so obviously we're using the phone to move. There's no arrows or buttons or anything to move on the screen. You're going to have to tip your phone right or left to navigate. Um, this is how you know where to navigate. Follow the arrow. And then the button that is on the screen is for thrusters to slow yourself down. All right, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial here. Let's watch. Okay, real quick, I want to take a second to make sure you understand this calibration and what it means. So if you tip the screen back towards your face or tip the screen any way, it'll move that direction. So this is the problem my brother was having. He calibrated it and then thought, okay, I'll tip it back up and look at it. And he kind of had it more like perpendicular to the ground. And in doing so, he automatically shot his, rocket or whatever, I guess it was, right off the map and kept just failing immediately. So that was his problem. So you'll see here that, I now have it tipped up so it's not calibrating. I'm going to lay it back flat and it will calibrate and we'll start. All right. So we're going to open these doors up. We need to go to the bottom left. So I am more or less parallel to the ground. Sometimes you really need to tip it one way or another to get it to go. I think one of the main things here is when the wind starts kicking up and you'll see the little things. Man, I am like I almost can't see the screen. That's how far forward I'm tipping this. Okay, well, now it wants me to go down. You see the wind in there is pushing me to the right. That's not that easy. Sometimes you really need to move it to calibrate or to go in the right direction. Like it feels awkward. Okay, now that I'm near my target, right, I went through the first two checkpoints pretty quickly. In my target, you'll see at the very top of the screen, I'm at 500 meters, I guess, and I'm descending. I'm in the green, stay in the green. It wants me to stay in the green. You don't really need to use the boosters until you get closer to like 200. Just want to slow yourself down. You don't even need to use the boosters until you're at 100, but then you're going to start getting warning. So you use the boosters heavily, and what you'll see here, I'm using it quite a bit. See, it actually starts to go back up if you're not careful. And then there you go, you're landing.